Rotary ya Bushenyi ebireta yahise district governor orukurura Rotary Club wa Uganda hamwe na Tanzania omukyara Agnes Mungati Batenga negenderwa cyo kumurambuza ebirotare kuzira mu Bushenyi abembezi ba district egi basimire Rotary Ahabw'Okuyamba Gavumenti omukisi abantu obuhereza.
We are very happy of what you do as Rotary Club International because you've been supplementing and complementing our effort as far as service delivery in our communities are concerned. Rotary Club has been helping us. At one time we had a problem of lightning striking here and especially in schools, and we lost many lives, Madam Governor.
We are really grateful as a district for a lot and a lot and a lot we have so far received from
Kansime Gilbert or president wa Rotary Club ya Bushenyi atushoborere bimwe ebi Rotary Club egi ekozwe mu district ni yemwe.
We have also supported some of the projects in the district in terms of water and sanitation. In education, we have constructed classroom blocks and also supported primary schools. We have been in the area of environmental conservation. We have been planting trees in schools and also other areas of interest. Medical camps, so far this year we have had 2 medical camps.
Muhero gwo mukoro gwo gumwe habiriho no kutasiya ba member basya mu Rotary Club.
Family members of Rose, please come and join us in.
And I encourage you to continue doing partnership with the Rotary Club. But you know, they say charity begins at home. Yeah. So start for looking for projects within your community so that you as Rotaractors are also well looked after. So start with that and then move on to the greater campus you're on and then into the community. But ensure that your Rotaractors actually get value from this.
Omuringo ngugumwe Agnes Mungati Batenga ayongere yatayayireho aba Rotary Club ya Kabohe ahabashabire kwataniza hamwe kongera kutereza ibyanga byabo.
Bringing in members, but we are not so good at keeping them. So especially with you having the largest percentage of your members, I speak to you, President, and all the other senior Rotarians in the group, and even the new ones as you get to know Rotary more. Retention is a very big problem. We bring you to an organization such as this, but if we don't look after our Rotarians well, sometimes they break off because of lack of knowledge.
Kurigirira aranambaga urikira president kando birataya yise mukuru wabo habwa district ashoborire ngo ne cyabuzima ebikozwe byona birigirira kwatanisa kandi obutebaganisamu hamwe no kugira untuma gwo kuyamba.
Twetekatekere abo kuba urwo muntu umwe bakore ikintu kimwe mwayigito umurotare n'abantu bakora ibintu kuye kongerera abo government rukora kandi babukora anyekundire mwenu ntutekateka ngo kuba numukora ibintu byanyekundire mwaba bingi mukora ibintu byingi mwenu tubicerezo mu kugira abantu bingi bwe nabwe cyo tutero muranga kugira ngo mwije abakuru bino mutuma nkoko gwa Rotary mwije tuyambare kuba bingi tukore ibintu bingi.
It's my pleasure to induct you into the Rotary Club of Bushenyi.
Gashako Olivia na Sasra na Gerard Tugume abwa Sky TV ya Genshonga.